My name's Timothy Moore and I'm a co-curator of Melbourne Design Week at the National Gallery of Victoria. Melbourne Design Week is an annual event, Australia's premier design event happening in Melbourne for the last 9 years. So what you'll see across the city is exhibitions, talks, workshops that relate to design and all of its disciplines. So architecture, landscape architecture, industrial design, graphic design, gaming and so on. So I'm standing in the exhibition 100 Lights. It's a really good example of Melbourne Design Week where it really celebrates the ecology of designers in Melbourne, are really collaborative and supportive and intergenerational, and I think that's what makes Melbourne Design Week quite unique. So this is one of over 100 exhibitions that you'll see across the city and over 350 events as well. One great exhibition that you can see in Melbourne Design Week is Trent Jansen's exhibition, which looks at his legacy of Australian design over the last 20 years. Trent Jansen often collaborates with First Nation designers and artists and really questions what is contemporary Australian identity today.
My name is Volker Haug. I'm a lighting designer. I've been running my business for 20 years now. We are standing in an exhibition that is the retrospective of the 20 years, which feels really amazing. The exhibition is basically original lights that are made back in the days. Some go back as far as 20 years ago. Those lights have been in people's houses. Some we remade, some we borrowed, some we dusted off. My favorite one that I actually had at my house for a long, long time, as well as here at the studio, is the OMG shade. It's a huge shade, about 1.9 meters in diameter. It's essentially 19 individual crushed light shades. They're crushed as flat as a pizza base and then anodized and then bolted together into one big flower-like shade.
I'm here at 47 Easy Street at Useful Objects Gallery. I'm a furniture and object designer. The practice that I do I call design anthropology, and I'm here at my 2 decades of design anthropology exhibition. I'm standing here in front of the Nimuljunkawante cabinet, which is a collaboration between myself and Nikana artist and designer Johnny Naguda. This is a work that was made over the period of about 2 years. It's a collection of work called Nimuljunkawante, which means all made from rubbish in Walmajari. So we started with this screen door mesh as a starting point. So much of our experimentation on this work was really experimenting with ways of laminating this aluminium mesh in leather. So we explored different archetypes and different ways of working with these materials to transform what was once junk into something new and beautiful and refined.
We're in our studio in Collingwood and we've got 3 exhibitions here, low-key, collaboration with Tony Matevchesky and also our Fiona Lynch archive. We've got a whole lot of incredible makers, artists and designers who have collaborated. So here we're looking at Tony Matevchesky and his amazing team. They've sewn all these beautiful remnants onto these 2 pendants. So we collaborated together and talked through some ideas about our interest in things not being a little bit undone and also about light and flow. And so we came up with these lights together. We're sort of looking forward to welcoming people into our studio to show them how we think and how we work and how strong the Melbourne design community is.